Hello there. Right, hello, this is Nell. Nell is here to have her teeth cleaned today. Now this is the first time Nell has had her teeth cleaned, so she's a little bit nervous. Often it's really handy to get them used to you being near their mouth is just to be touching around, start stroking around her mouth and her nose. You can even start rubbing her gums. I usually put a pair of gloves on here. Yes. Always make sure you give her lots of words of encouragement. Yes, you're a good girl. So we can have a wee look at her teeth and start touching them and rubbing them around on both sides. Dental disease starts with plaque build-up. Now plaque's made up of salivary proteins and bacteria and sugars and calcium, and when the plaque builds up we get gingivitis, and you can even see the beginnings of the gingivitis here in Nell's teeth. So just the redness on the gums just at the base of each tooth. Now if that gingivitis continues, then it can loosen the ligament that holds the teeth into the jawline, and that means we'd have a loose tooth. Okay, so after we've spent a few nights getting Nell used to us touching her teeth and her gums and giving her lots of encouragement, then we can maybe introduce the toothpaste. So we'll get some onto her fingers, and they're usually nice and tasty, so they're usually chicken flavoured or poultry flavoured, and they also have enzymes in them, a lot of them, which help break down the plaque as well. So you can just start, oh, this is good, isn't it? And just start rubbing her teeth and along her gums. Don't forget the front ones, because they get just as loaded up with plaque. There we are. Good girl, good girl. Over time as well then we can start introducing things like toothbrushes. They make really handy little finger toothbrushes, which some people find very easy. Or even something as simple, we've got as a kiddie's toothbrush. We've also got these ones specifically designed for dogs as well, which sometimes people find the angle a little bit easier. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a kiddie's toothbrush today. Let me put a little bit of toothpaste on. Here we are. And just very good girl now. You can start rubbing in circles. Oh, this is a messy job. Best not to be done in your nicest carpeted area. Good girl, Nelly. Remember that plaque will develop into tartar, and when tartar is when the plaque is all mineralized, and that won't often come off with brushing alone. Sometimes you'd need to speak to the vet to organise a dental, which is like a descale and polish under anaesthetic, and then we can start with the brushing afterwards. Oh, good girl. I would do this ideally we'd like to do this every day, but even 3 or 4 times a week is going to be a plus. Okay, there are other options if you find that the toothbrushing is just too much for you and your dog. They use some companies will sell handy little wipes which allow you to wipe the gums, and these often freshen the breath as well by helping take away the bacteria. So we'll start on this side. Good girl, Nelly. Oh. So we're just doing a circular motion here and all around the gums, over the teeth. Oh. If you rub too much and there's some gingivitis, then sometimes we'll even see a little bit of blood on that, and that shows me that we've been too slow in starting Nell's dental hygiene, really, and we just need to be a little bit more gentle until the gingivitis goes away. Other ways you can improve your dog's or your cat's dental hygiene is by their food. You can get biscuits that are larger biscuits that are knobbly, that the animal has to really crunch, and that can help chip off a lot of the tartar or any plaque and stuff that's there, helps keep them clean. And there's same as you can get chews, so this when it's really tough, and they make them in different sizes according to the breed and the size of dog. So you want a nice big chew, so this is a wee bit small for now really, even though she fancies it. You can get treatments for the water, and this reduces the bacterial load in the dog's mouth. And don't forget to have lots of treats handy to know that so that they know that they've done a good job. And give them lots of encouragement. Hey, good girl, Nelly. It's a good bone, isn't it? You chew this up. Keep your teeth healthy. And good luck.